Welcome to another adventure with us. Today, we explore the breathtaking scenery of Xinjiang, a gem in the heart of Asia. Nestled in the northwest corner of China, Xinjiang is a place where cultures, traditions, and landscapes converge, creating a tapestry of experiences unlike any other. Here, the ancient Silk Road winds its way through sprawling deserts, past towering mountain ranges, and into bustling cities where the air is filled with the scent of exotic spices. This region is a melting pot of diverse cultures, home to many ethnic groups, each contributing its own unique flavor to the region's rich heritage. The landscapes are as diverse as the people, ranging from the arid dunes of the Taklamakan Desert to the tranquil waters of the Heavenly Lake. Each corner of Xinjiang is a feast for the senses, offering an array of sights, sounds, and tastes that promise to captivate and inspire. Join us as we journey through the most scenic areas of Xinjiang. Imagine a crystal-clear lake nestled amongst snow-capped peaks. Welcome to the Heavenly Lake of Tianshan. This is not just any lake. This is a lake of dreams, a lake of legends. With a name like Heavenly Lake, you might expect something out of this world, and it doesn't disappoint. The lake's waters are a radiant turquoise, a color so vivid it almost seems unreal. As if painted by the brush of a master artist, the lake shimmers in the sunlight, reflecting a mirror image of the snow-capped peaks that surround it. Enveloped by those majestic peaks, the Heavenly Lake of Tianshan is like a gem embedded in the heart of the Tianshan mountain range. Its tranquil waters stretch for nearly 2 miles, reaching depths of over 100 feet. The lake's surface is often calm, the silence broken only by the occasional splash of a fish or the rustle of the wind through nearby trees. But the Heavenly Lake is not just about the water. It's about the snow-capped peaks that rise high into the sky, their white peaks contrasting sharply against the blue of the lake and the sky. It's about the lush green forests that blanket the mountainsides, adding another layer of color to this natural tapestry. The Heavenly Lake of Tianshan is nestled in Xinjiang, in the far northwest of China, a region known for its diverse landscapes and rich cultural heritage. This beautiful lake is part of the larger Tianshan mountain system, which is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a testament to the world's natural beauty, a place where you can truly feel at one with nature. Visiting the Heavenly Lake, you can't help but feel a sense of awe. The beauty of the lake, the majesty of the mountains, the tranquility of the surroundings, it's all a testament to the incredible diversity and beauty of our planet. The Heavenly Lake is indeed a piece of heaven on earth, a testament to Xinjiang's natural beauty. From serene water bodies, we move to the fiery landscapes of the Flaming Mountains. Picture this: a range of red sandstone formations, stretching as far as the eye can see, their craggy surfaces reflecting the sun's light in such a way that they appear to be ablaze. Welcome to the Flaming Mountains, a name that perfectly captures the essence of this awe-inspiring terrain. Located in the Tianshan mountain range of Xinjiang, the Flaming Mountains are a sight to behold. The mountains are not exceptionally high, but their dramatic red color and the stark, rugged shapes of the formations are what make them truly stand out. When the sun is at its zenith, the mountains look like they're on fire, giving rise to their name. But there's more to these mountains than just their physical appearance. The Flaming Mountains hold a significant place in Chinese literature, namely in the renowned novel Journey to the West. In the story, the Monkey King, one of the main characters, is said to have caused the mountains to burn with his fiery eyes. This connection to one of China's most beloved tales adds a layer of cultural and historical significance to the area. The Flaming Mountains are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a testament to the power of nature and the impact of climatic conditions on the landscape. The area is one of the hottest places in China during the summer, with temperatures often exceeding 50 degrees Celsius. This intense heat contributes to the flaming illusion that the mountains are renowned for. Despite the harsh conditions, life persists here. The unique terrain and climate of the Flaming Mountains have given rise to a variety of plant and animal species that have adapted to survive in this challenging environment. It's a reminder that even in the most extreme conditions, life finds a way. The Flaming Mountains, a fiery spectacle of nature's artistry. This is a place where the power of nature is on full display, where myth and reality intertwine, and where every view is a reminder of the Earth's raw, untamed beauty. Next, we journey to the Kanas Lake Nature Reserve, Xinjiang's own Shangri-La. A place where Mother Nature has generously laid out her best work, The reserve is a vibrant tableau of diverse ecosystems. It's a world where the azure of the sky meets the emerald of the earth, creating a breathtaking panorama that captivates every visitor. The crown jewel of the reserve is the mesmerizing Kanas Lake. This glacial gem, nestled within the forested mountains, is the largest alpine lake in China. Its crystal-clear waters reflect the changing seasons, showcasing a variety of hues from icy blue in winter to a lush green in summer. The lake is also known for its mysterious sightings of large creatures, adding a dash of intrigue to its beauty. Surrounding the lake, the forested mountains stand tall and proud. These mountains are home to an array of unique fauna and flora, making the reserve a hotbed of biodiversity. From the elusive snow leopard to the majestic golden eagle, the wildlife here is as diverse as it is fascinating. It's a place where nature's symphony plays out in all its glory, from the rustling of the leaves to the melodious songs of the birds. The Kanas Lake Nature Reserve is also home to the Tuwa people, a small community that has lived in harmony with nature for centuries. Their unique culture and traditions add another layer of charm to the reserve's captivating landscape. As we wander through the reserve, every path leads us to a new discovery. Every turn unveils a new spectacle. It's a place where the air is filled with the scent of pine and the sound of the wind whispering through the trees. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing us to soak in the magnificence of our surroundings. The Kanas Lake Nature Reserve, a paradise for nature lovers. A place that reminds us of the beauty of our planet and the wonders that await us when we take the time to explore. So, let's continue our journey, for the world is full of places waiting to be discovered. We conclude our journey in Xinjiang's vast wilderness, the Taklamakan Desert. A place of stark beauty and extreme conditions, the Taklamakan Desert is a captivating sight to behold. Imagine, if you will, an ocean of sand stretching as far as the eye can see. This is no ordinary desert, but one of the world's largest shifting sand deserts, covering a staggering area of over 270,000 square kilometers. Its name, derived from the Uyghur language, translates to, "You can get into it but can never get out," a fitting testament to its intimidating vastness. The desert's sand dunes, some reaching as high as 300 meters, are a sight to behold. These massive, ever-changing mounds of sand, shaped and reshaped by the wind, create a mesmerizing, undulating landscape. The sight of these monstrous dunes, bathed in the soft glow of the setting sun, is an experience that lingers in the memory long after the journey ends. But the Taklamakan Desert is not just a spectacle of nature, it holds historical significance too. This expansive desert was once a part of the Silk Road, the ancient network of trade routes that connected the East and West. Merchants and explorers laden with silk, spices, and precious stones would brave the treacherous conditions, journeying across this vast wilderness. The desert, therefore, is a silent witness to centuries of cultural exchange and human endeavor. Despite the harsh conditions, life persists. Poplar trees, known as the heroes of the desert, somehow manage to thrive, their presence a testament to the resilience of life. These natural sculptures add an unexpected touch of green to the otherwise monochrome landscape, providing a stark contrast that is both unexpected and breathtaking. The Taklamakan Desert, with its shifting sands and towering dunes, is a world of stark contrasts and extreme beauty. It's a place where the forces of nature are on full display, where every grain of sand tells a story of endurance and survival. A place that's as intimidating as it is enchanting. The Taklamakan Desert, a testament to Xinjiang's diverse landscapes. From crystal-clear lakes to fiery mountains, Xinjiang has it all. We've journeyed through the heavenly lake of Tianshan, with its tranquil allure nestled in rugged mountains. We've felt the heat of the flaming mountains, a spectacle of nature's fiery palette. Our senses were captivated by the ethereal beauty of Kanas Lake Nature Reserve, and we've traversed the vast expanse of the Taklamakan Desert, the sea of death that is teeming with life. These landscapes are not just locations on a map. They are testaments to the sheer diversity and magnificence of nature. Every corner of Xinjiang tells a unique story, each more captivating than the last. The compelling charm of this place lies in its ability to surprise and enchant us with its endless array of natural wonders. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which area of the world should we explore next? Please comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more of the world to you. Until next time, keep exploring.